Hello, so part 2. So this is going to be the video which is going to be a little longer. You already can see that on the format because if it's under 1 minute I probably use the portrait mode. I'm on my way right now to Digitech and I wanted to give a quick experience feedback on almost 30 days now uploading one short video every day. At the end, it's more important to say I uploaded one video a day at least. Many of you struggle with that topic, and I did that in the beginning, and many of my friends do. To upload a video and upload a short, and to reduce your own results by just saying, "Oh, it was just a short." Actually, it's a video. It's like the comparison with running. If I would start running now for 100 meters, 50 meters, 20 meters, I'm a runner. There's no trying, failing. As long as I move a little faster and probably even let go of the floor with one foot for a few seconds and not having the same, having both legs on the floor at the same time, then it would be walking, I think, from the Olympic perspective. That would definitely mean that I'm a runner. When it comes to videos or publishing videos, every video, out of my opinion, you publish is a video made and published. If it's short, landscape, portrait, TikTok, whatever you're gonna call it. There are different levels of videos. For sure you can make a full edited, sit down, relax, cut the fuss out video, or you can make a short one, a longer one, or an extreme long rant. That all counts. But it gives everyone a little different feeling of stress. For me, I do like edited videos. But I also like the simplicity of just picking up your phone, getting your mic ready, and record something. That's up to you, what you prefer. But get started somewhere if you consider uploading videos on a constant basis and getting YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever channel running. The only part to keep in mind is don't limit yourself with some fancy beliefs like, oh, I need the perfect camera, oh, I need the perfect mic, oh, I need the perfect this. Like I said it before, if you just hit record, you have a video, you stop it, you publish it. You just made a video and published it. Because the quality comes second. And fair enough, you will realize pretty fast which is your biggest shortcoming on the quality. In my case, I thought it would be audio, and that's why I changed this one. So right now I'm running on a main street in Zurich, and you see and hear cars passing by. But the mic is pretty good. It's a Rode Video Mic Me L. I've linked the video to that one. And I really like that microphone because it's an easy one. I always have it in my left pocket of my jacket, in my right pocket of my trousers, my phone. So it's an easy, plug it together, get the video done and move forward. I had some issues in between with that mic where it's not fully connecting and the sound is like chopped off. I don't know what was the reason, but I will keep you updated on this. Besides this, all the videos you've seen the last weeks, done with that mic, and I'm super happy to have that. But I have a lot more equipment which I don't need, and I will make a video on all the equipment I bought which I don't need. And I think there's a lot of YouTubers out there who would say that's a common problem. You're getting gear which you don't need. So when we go back to just record the video, what do you want to talk about? And the first thing which comes to my mind, we had this example in the PTYA class from Ali Abdal, is you want to create or you want to curate. And you want to create something really new, which ends up most of the time anyways as being copying something because many things already been out there, if not even all. Or on the other hand, you come to the point and say, I want to curate. And curate means you take knowledge you already have and you just talk about it. But in my case, it's the experience with the YouTube channel. In your case, it might be knitting, it might be crafting, it might be even just your life. But in this case, you don't have to learn anything. You don't have to wrap your head around some new topics, you can just freely talk about it. And later, if you want to, you can cut out the fuss on an editing software, even like iMovie, or even on YouTube in the editor on the YouTube Studio. So when you make your channel, you have the opportunity there to log into the YouTube Studio and have minimal editing abilities in that software or in that web page. You have an opportunity to just change some of the parts you don't like or cut them out, but it's not the perfect solution for sure. But if that's only this one time you messed up while talking, take it out. Or if it's the end being too long, cut it out. Or just leave it inside. It's part of your process, part of the journey. If you want to have people participating on your journey, leave the fuss in. Because they see like, oh, you made a mistake. And people pointed it out to me as well. Oliver, you did a mistake there. You said something wrong. I remember Sebastian telling me like, oh, one time you said Swiss francs and then you said dollars. Luckily the conversion rate is 1.1, where Swiss francs is a little higher. I think people got the message. But it's something to be reminded of, and probably don't make the mistake in the future. And therefore, I usually say this old phrase like, success is a lousy teacher. And if you fail forward and don't repeat your mistakes, and make sure that you take measures, and means that you do not repeat your mistakes, and you're moving forward. You're moving in the right direction. So will this video now be my best video, my highest quality video? Probably not. Just due to the fact that I'm not gonna edit it, that I don't have my proper lighting, that I have shadows on my face, that I'm wearing a cap, running around, it's a major street, it's windy. There's a lot of factors combined. But I do the video right now. I'm recording it. And I'm not sure if I would record it, if I would go now to Digitech, pick up the drone which was there on warranty repairs, I go back home, and then my fiancée is home, she's probably having a call in her home office. There's just so many obstacles in the way that sometimes, at least not many times, it is a better way to get the video done first. You can re-record it, you can make another video on the same topic, you can make a more refined video on the topic. But if you want to make videos, just make it. Just take your phone, make your video, take your camera, make a video, and then slowly but steadily just get the things out of the way which bother you or even your audience the most. And there's a mistake I made in the beginning, and I don't want you to make the mistake too. Take your closest people who will be informed about your video endeavors and ask them, hey, what do you think about that video? And brace for the impact. But don't take this opportunity away. Take people who are in general positive to your endeavors. I mean, the no-sayers you don't need to listen to, and you don't want to have too many around you who will stop you from making videos. But get your friends, the really close friends who support you in whatever you're doing, and ask them for their humble opinion, or even reduce the question and ask them for an opinion on a certain part. Just the lighting, just the wording, just a simple small part of it, and they're willing to give you feedback. That's at least my experience, and they feel almost being pushed away if you don't. That's my video, my long form video for today. I really enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoyed it too. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about my opinions on starting making videos? And if you have any questions, also drop them inside. And if you enjoyed this video, have a look at my other ones later on. I will link them later today. That's from my side. Have an amazing one. You see, in Switzerland it's super sunny weather, and I hope it's going to be a nice day wherever you are, and a great week. Thank you and bye.